Today I'll show you how to create mockups in Figma using a simple plugin. This is useful when you want to present your UI design inside a real device frame, like a phone, laptop, or tablet, without leaving Figma. Start by opening Figma and loading the file where your design is ready. If you don't have a finished design yet, any frame or placeholder will work. Just make sure the frame you want to turn into a mockup is visible on the canvas. Next, look at the bottom area of the Figma interface. Click on the Resources or Actions button. This opens the panel where you can access plugins. In the search bar, type Artboard Mockups and select the plugin from the list. Once you open it, the plugin panel will appear on your screen. If this is your first time using the plugin, it may ask you to log in. This is normal. After that, you'll see a list of different mockup styles. These usually include phones, laptops, tablets, and other devices. Choose the mockup that best fits your design. For example, if your design is a mobile app, select a smartphone mockup. When you click on a mockup style, the plugin automatically places your selected frame into the device. Your design is now shown inside the mockup, properly scaled and aligned. You can move it around, resize it, or place it on a clean background just like any other Figma element. Some mockups may be locked, but you can still create good-looking results using the free ones. Once the mockup is placed, you can adjust shadows, background color, or positioning to match your presentation style. This makes your design look more realistic and easier to understand. That's it. You've successfully created a mockup directly inside Figma using a plugin, without exporting or using external tools. Thanks for listening, and now you can use mockups to present your designs more clearly and professionally.